We entered when we saw price versus well money flow low and trades in favor low, and we got a buy signal. This is the perfect combination, and once we saw that just a day later, we saw the price move up significantly. Well money moved into the market like crazy, and we hit our 15% take profit. Anyone trading with us over the last couple of weeks will know that we've been expecting drops in the crypto market after the release of the Bitcoin ETF, but I gotta say, this is happening much faster than anticipated. Here's everything you need to know, including targets and timelines. Let's get started. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and the bull market is here. Now, from the pumps after the Bitcoin ETF release, we are officially 126 wins with 0 losses in our trades. And the last trades that we made, if we head over to the trade setups page, right here, one for 12%. This next one down here, one for 10%. This one right here on ApeCoin, if we take a look, we entered when we saw price versus well money flow low and trades in favor low, and we got a buy signal. This is the perfect combination, and once we saw that just a day later, we saw the price move up significantly. Well money moved into the market like crazy, and we hit our 15% take profit within less than 24 hours. Congrats to anyone that took those trades. And as a heads up, there is a brand new future forecast video to watch. You're going to want to pay attention to this massive $5,000 Bitcoin drop. Data suggests another 2 to 10K. Watch as soon as possible. Now, this is members only content. I'm going to give you a good idea of what we're going to be looking at, but Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, is going to do a deep dive. I'm talking 40 minutes of deep dive analysis into what's going to happen next. You do not want to miss this video. It's going to be absolutely crucial. And before we jump into the metrics, I just want to tell you can access all this and more at the links in the description down below. Jumping into the Bitcoin metrics, the very first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Now, after today's drop, we are falling into neutral territory, but it's not until we fall into either anxious right here or fearful that we're really looking for those moves back up. So for me, this feels like a bullish continuation. Next up, we're looking at the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We are still seeing significant volatility in the market. If we see any amount of sideways movement, I'll be looking for drops in this. And if we fall into the breakout zone, just as we see back here, right here, right here, right here, this is where you're seeing crazy moves up and down in the market. Crazy volatility comes out once we fall below the breakout zone. Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric is showing us that whale money is likely to move out of the market soon. We see significant orange bars to the downside, showing that short trade sentiment is strong. Now, whales are actively taking profit. This is playing out as we speak. And as the price drops, whales are going to take those short trades to profit on the way back down too. As those short trades come in, it's going to put even more downward pressure, and I think we are going to see a drop in price because of it. Now, this shows what whales are likely to do soon. If we take a look at the whale money flow relative to price chart, we can see that whale money still has plenty of room to move down. We just have to break below this structure support right here. We are testing it once again, and if we drop below it, we're going to see significant, I'm talking massive moves to the downside. So we have our direction. We've established that things are feeling very bearish. So looking at the major support and resistance levels, we once again have $45,000 as structure resistance. Our next structure support is $38,000. Now, I do want to point out there are more structure supports that we need to pay attention to, but I'll show you those on the live charts. Now, last but not least, as we scroll down here, Bitcoin trade signals chart, we got a sell signal, and this is resulting in a significant move to the downside, just as it did right here. Now, sell signals most often are going to be bearish. I was honestly expecting a little bit of a short squeeze where we were going to see moves back to the upside, but this was invalidated. We saw a massive move right here, a massive candle to the upside, and this actually formed identical patterns on both the 1 day and 1 week time frames. But I'll show you that in the live charts. If you're a Bitcoin trader, you need to pay very close attention to these metrics. Members are going to get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with all 20 metrics on our website. It is crucial that you pay attention to these every single day. Along with metrics, you're going to get access to 126 wins, 0 loss trade strategy. Crucial future forecast video, members only content there. You can access our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout once a month, live training with all of our members, and many more benefits. If you want to get access, links to the membership can be found at the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. From here, you're going to scroll down. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. And hurry up quick because price increases up to $95 a month are coming coming soon. This is going to come with future forecasts, all trade setups, as I said, live Zoom coaching every single month, metrics across all 20 coins, and I forgot to mention this, but you're going to get indicator coupon codes. It's actually going to be significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. More on that later, though. All you got to do is click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. Now, what we're looking at right now is a massive downside candle as whale money continues moving out of the market. We are seeing a 65% chance of a drop from our indicators on the 1-day time frame, and as of right now, this is pointing kind of bearish, kind of neutral, but if I had to choose, I'm going bearish on this. Especially if we see whale money break below this structure support instead of bounce, I think we're going to see a massive crash. Once again, whale money breaks below the support, massive crash in the market is absolutely incoming. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So that's going to be my main signal for a massive move to the downside. Now we're actively testing our previous structure support from this this symmetrical triangle pattern right here. And if we break below this, which I think is likely, we're already testing that, I think we're going to drop down here, and that is going to sit right at $42,000. That is our first structure support that we're paying attention to. And if we break below that, it's going to be a straight shot down to that $38,000 level that I showed you on the metrics chart. Now, the reason I'm so bearish is because of this little candle right here. This is called a shooting star pattern. You're going to see this on both the 1-day and the 1-week time frame. Shooting star pattern right here, and on the 1-week time frame, we see price versus whale money flow and trades in favor extremely high. All these are extremely bearish. Post a sell signal on the 1-week time frame. We'll find out on Monday, but if there's a sell signal on this candle, this will be even more bearish. Talking about that shooting star pattern, all it is a single candlestick, and it starts from a bull trend. Once you get a candlestick pattern like that, you should see a bearish reversal in your trend for moves down. Now we have confluence for this on both the 1-day and 1-week time frame. We're seeing neutral to strongly bearish readings on both the 1-day and 1-week time frame. And with all that information combined, I do think we're going to see continued moves down. We've already seen a little bit further of a drop in the time we've been talking about it. And from the current price, looking at that $42,000 support, this is going to be about a 2.85% drop. And if we drop all the way down to $38,000, I'm looking for about a 12% drop. Now, in order to buy the dip, as this plays out, I'm going to be looking for price versus whale money flow low and trades in favor low. If we get both of those, especially with a buy signal on the drop, that is where I'm going to be looking for the absolute bottom of this next move before we see massive moves back to the upside. Now, it could happen at a lower structure support. We'll cover that later. If we drop to that $38,000 structure support, we'll reevaluate at that point. But if you want to stay updated, we already see those massive moves down. If you want to catch the bottom of the next move and what could be the last best price of this bull run before we see massive moves to the upside moving into April for the halving event, you're going to want to snag these indicators as soon as possible. And right now, I can help you get up to $550 off. Check this out. Once again, links are down in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. From here, remember, you're going to want a membership. It is significantly cheaper to purchase these indicators with a membership than it is without one. Access the membership coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're going to want to scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Just go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in that future forecast video. It is crucial. Don't miss out.